I'm always going. Going. I have to go right now. Yeah, that was me. Until I found out about a new product that changed my life and my clothes, except my hat, but it's pretty sweet. It's called the Clamp. It's its blue metallic feature, even though it's plastic. You may be wondering, how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. You just clamp it onto the tip of your dick, or a comfortable place on the shaft.
Hey, I got a question. Why use this?
Well, it's only the most safe and effective product on the market.
You mentioned it's safe. How safe?
Well, that's a dumb question. I mean, you gotta be a fucking idiot. I'll shit on your family. I'll give you a demonstration, just to show you how safe it really is. Shit. That clamp fucking hurts like shit.
Jesus Christ, man, I saw that from over there. Are you okay?
No, it's bleeding.
I knew I'd find you here.